Okay, so this is the Galaxy Watch 4. The first ever Samsung watch to come with Wear OS, and you might have seen all the videos. ECG, blood pressure, body composition, etc, etc. But there are a lot of things that won't be available in India. Plus, Android also has a lot of smartwatches. Hold on. The Oppo smartwatch, the OnePlus watch, and Samsung's own Galaxy Watch Active 2. I've been using this for a long time. So the question that has to be asked is the Galaxy Watch 4 the best Android smartwatch to buy right now? Well, this is Prateek, you're already watching TechWiser, and you bet you're gonna love this video. And I want you to subscribe. Please, now, do it. Let's go. Hey, first when I got the Galaxy Watch 4, it felt really lightweight, and it is lightweight. Like here, if you see, the original Galaxy Watch weighs in with the strap at 63 grams, whereas the OnePlus watch with the strap weighs in at 76 grams. And the Galaxy Watch 4 is almost equal to the Galaxy Watch Active 2, or a bit lighter you can say. So even 10 grams of less weight than the Galaxy Watch is a lot less. At least for me, I don't want a wall clock strapped to my wrist, like too much. Well, we were out to shoot something and it suddenly hit me. The next most important thing for me in a smartwatch, apart from the display, is display protection. Well, I'm not saying it's a bad display. It's a good 1.1-inch AMOLED display, and it also has an auto brightness sensor, and it does get really bright outdoors. Samsung also gives you a lot of choices between traditional watch faces and analog watch faces. And now, since you have Google Play Store, you can use third-party watch face app like Facer. Like here, have a look. I like Pebble watches and I love that watch face. So I've installed this Pebble watch face on my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and it looks cool. But anyways, why did I say that glass protection is important? Like, have a look. This is Apple Watch Series 6, and while Mrinal was playing badminton, he just fell with the watch. And Apple says that it has ceramic ION-X glass protection, but as you can see, there are scratches. And here's Galaxy Watch Active 2. I was using it on a daily basis, and I have a cover for glass protection. See, I'm a messy person and I just ram my hand into the wall. So for me, glass protection is really important. And Galaxy Watch 4 has Gorilla Glass DX Plus protection, and in my couple of weeks of usage, I have not managed to scratch it yet. So even if you buy the Galaxy Watch 4, get a glass protection, that's important. But even if you don't, there's still Gorilla Glass DX Plus. Here, just like the Active 2, you have a touch sensitive area where you can rotate through the menu, options, or just increase brightness, everything. But I used it for a couple of days, and the thing is, your hand comes in the middle of the screen when you do that. So it isn't that handy. There are also sensitivity issues that Samsung is fixing through firmware updates. But these are all known things. The unknown deal is the software in this watch, the new Wear OS plus Samsung software. First of all, you can pick up calls from the watch. Let me show you.
This is how you would sound on the call. A quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog, and guess who's the quick brown fox and who's the lazy dog.
You can also reply to any app notification. It's a proper smartwatch. You can even download Gboard from the Play Store and reply with emojis because, hey, why not? YOLO. Now, if you're coming from an old Samsung watch or this is your first smartwatch, a couple of things have changed. Like, you can still swipe down for the quick settings, left for notifications, and right for widgets. And swipe up to the app drawer. There's a new app drawer now. Now you get Google Play Store instead of the Galaxy Store, and as you can see, everything runs fluid. And now you ask, how is that a big deal, Prateek? Why is Google Play Store a big deal? Well, first of all, you get YouTube music on this, and this is one of the few watches to have YouTube music. So you can download songs on the watch itself. By the way, 16 GB of internal memory, so easily 50 to 100 songs. Next, Samsung watches had Samsung Pay, but I use GPay. All my cards are in GPay. So funny thing, I used GPay for a day, but now it shows not available in your country. So GPay is only available in the US as of now. It will take some time to come to India. So use Samsung Pay in short. And here's the deal. You can use Gboard instead of Samsung keyboard. And if you see, Gboard here is far better in understanding the Indian accent than Samsung keyboard on the other hand. So all thanks to the Android app ecosystem, and app is what makes a smartwatch smart. For the competition, you cannot install apps on the OnePlus watch, whereas Galaxy Watch Active 2 has Galaxy Store. It won't get the latest Wear OS update. Oppo Watch supports all the Wear OS apps, so this GPay and all you can use on that as well. Now you might be wondering how good is the performance of this Galaxy Watch 4, right? Well, for starters, it has Samsung's new 5nm Exynos W920. You get 1.5 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, which is sufficient to handle Wear OS. Now, Galaxy Watches always performed well, and Samsung has made minor improvements over the last year. Like, I use Bixby a lot on the Galaxy Watch Active 2 to set a timer, like a lot. So if I show you side by side, see the Bixby wake up time on both the watches. The Galaxy Watch 4 is faster. Now again, installing an app side by side on both of them, it's faster now due to faster storage. Also, the auto workout detection starts when you have worked out for 10 minutes and more. So for the auto workout detection, I would say it is same as the previous Galaxy Watches, and those were also pretty good, bang on. Now coming to the step accuracy, the step count and workout data were accurate in terms of heart rate and fitness. Let's put it head to head with the Apple Watch 6. Here's your heart rate data. Now it's a Samsung watch. If you use a Samsung watch with any other Android phone, there are a few restrictions. Foremost, Samsung will ask you to install multiple plugins. Next, you need to install Samsung Health to see the health data on your phone. And you still have high Bixby. That's not the problem, but you need to create a Samsung account for all of this. Galaxy Watch 4 has promised to bring Google Assistant, but as of now, it's not available. Now, ECG and blood pressure aren't available in India, but that has to do more with the government permission. So as soon as that comes, Samsung might try to bring ECG in India as well. And also for ECG, you would need a Samsung phone. However, you do get body measurements in India. You have to keep 2 fingers to the watch. By running electrical signals across the body, Galaxy Watch 4 tells you the accurate measurement. Now, we also have a Xiaomi Smart Scale that does the same thing. So this is the body fat percentage and muscle mass side by side of both the devices, and we cannot confirm the accuracy of the devices, but there is a difference of 10-15%. Now, the battery life is same as the Galaxy Watch Active 2. In my testing, with 1 workout a day, it lasted 1.5 days, sometimes even 2. This is commendable considering it's a new Wear OS watch to be specific. You get a magnetic charger that charges the Galaxy Watch 4 in about 2 hours. Or if you have a Samsung phone, you can also reverse wireless charge it. The Galaxy Watch 4 costs 24,000 in India for the base variant. There are two, 40 and 44mm variant. I have a 44mm variant, so you can see how it looks on medium-sized wrist. The rotating bezel is on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, which starts at 32,000. There's again a 42 and 46mm variant. If you buy before 30th September, there's also 3,000 cashback on most of the bank credit cards. So final deal, what should you buy? Well, after everything, Galaxy Watch 4 is the best Android smartwatch money can buy. You can get as per Bluetooth or 4G variant if you take a lot of calls. It has good performance, a good set of apps, especially because of Google Play Store, and decent battery life. For other watches, the OnePlus Watch is way overpriced, not recommended. The Oppo Watch is fast and a good smartwatch, but battery is something which is better on the Galaxy Watch 4. The only thing is Galaxy Watch Active 2. If you can squeeze a really good discount, I would still recommend the Galaxy Watch Active 2. It will have one more update next year, so 2 years for this watch to spare. Stop buying the original Galaxy Watch. It's too old and slow. On that note, this is Pradeep signing off. See you soon.